Hash Resort Living, making blueberry pancakes. I am making blueberry pancakes today. I'm going to start with flour. It's simple, just a simple pancake recipe, and you just add your cup of blueberries. Start with flour. Hi, sweetheart. Okay. And then, of course, we have baking powder. All the dry ingredients are going to toast. And I have my egg sitting in some warm water because I didn't have it out, so it's not room temperature. Okay, I'm going to mix flour and baking powder. Then I'm going to start cracking the egg. This is going to be so delicious. Really my favorite pancake. And why? Because the blueberries start cooking with the pancake batter, and they create this really nice sweet glaze. It's just a perfect pancake. Okay, now the eggs. Usually when I don't remember to leave the egg in room temperature, I just leave it with some warm water, and by the time I add all the dry ingredients, it's pretty room temperature. Okay, that. I'm gonna add it to flour and baking powder. Butter, which I melted. Okay. Add the sugar. Sometimes I mix the egg with the sugar. Give it a nice mix here. And what goes next? About a cup. Usually that's the good measurement. Sometimes I add less. I don't know. It seems like when you mix everything, it becomes really liquidy. So I do it little by little. Okay, I'm gonna add the blueberries at the very last minute. Give it a nice little spin around the batter. And sometimes when I'm scooping it in the fry pan and I don't get enough blueberries, I just add some more. So here's what he's gonna start with now. Okay, good, nice mix. That looks good. We have nice bubbles going, popping everywhere. Just loosen it up a little. Flip. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I hope you can hear the blueberries actually popping. Okay, let's look at it. Yep, that looks good. Okay, next one. Sweetie, are you in? How was your little morning stroll? There. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, hi. You want some water? Okay, let's see. Here are the bubbles. Let's peek at it. It's time to flip it. And it's on medium high. Let's see how it looks like. I can hear my princess crunching her dry food. That's pretty loud, cute little baby Ray. That looks good too. Just a little bit longer. Show you how it looks. See? Can't see. Okay, when I flip it, I'll show you. There. Good. Next one. Such nice size plump fat blueberries. There. Okay. Some powdered sugar and syrup. Flip this one. Good. Blueberries sizzling, bursting. I think it would be sizzling like in here. I think they're ready. Yeah, that looks wonderful. Side of the pancake. All the blueberries there. Delicious pancakes. Okay, gonna add some syrup and some powdered sugar. These gorgeous pancakes. Right, time to try blueberry pancakes. I like to add powdered sugar. I think it just makes it beautiful. And maple syrup. course, I still have my coffee. There. Need to try it, right? See all the beautiful blueberries in there? Ooh, blueberries are hot. Oh. Delicious. Just the right amount of sugar, and you can taste the delicious fresh blueberries. Very nice. It's a really good breakfast. I hope you get the chance to make it, especially in summertime. Really good. Yeah, I'll just keep eating. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my favorite pancakes. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe.